In this video, we can talk about top 5 Blakify alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today, we will explore the popular contenders to Blakify, a top-notch text-to-speech software designed to revolutionize the way written content is transformed into natural-sounding audio, and the top 5 alternatives of Blakify, which are ElevenLabs, Speechify, Voicemaker, Resemble AI, and Listnr. So, let's start and discover amazing features of these alternatives. Our first alternative is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is an advanced speech synthesis platform that empowers users to transform text into natural-sounding, expressive audio. It offers features like voice cloning, multi-language support, design custom AI voices, and speech synthesis. The platform enables users to inject emotions like happiness, excitement, or empathy into the generated speech, adding a human-like touch to the audio output. The standout feature of ElevenLabs is its ability to dynamically adjust the pace and rhythm of speech delivery, ensuring a smooth and engaging listening experience for the audience. Our second alternative is Speechify. Speechify is a revolutionary text-to-speech platform that enables you to listen to any text, be it articles, books, or documents, with unparalleled ease. It comes with excellent features like voiceover generator, voice cloning, and AI video generator. The tool syncs progress across various devices, enabling you to switch between them effortlessly. One of the standout features of Speechify is its AI-powered voice synthesizer that reproduces human-like speech with excellent clarity and intonation. Moving on, we have Voicemaker. Voicemaker is an intuitive online platform that simplifies the process of converting text into lifelike speech, enabling users to create engaging audio content effortlessly. Some of its excellent features like text-to-speech, multi-audio format support, and control voice speed. Voicemaker's AI-generated voices come with natural intonation and tonality, making the audio output sound authentic and engaging. The standout feature of Voicemaker is its ability to convert written text into speech with remarkable speed, enabling you to generate audio content in a matter of minutes. Moving on, we have Resemble AI. Resemble AI specializes in cutting-edge voice cloning technology, enabling you to create AI-generated voices that closely resemble specific individuals. It offers features like infinite emotions, voice changer, and speech localization. Resemble's potential to recreate the voices of celebrities or loved ones raises fascinating possibilities for personalized content and immersive storytelling. The standout feature of Resemble lies in its ability to produce lifelike voice clones that capture the subtleties of an individual's speech patterns. Last but certainly not least, we have Listnr. Listnr is an advanced and user-friendly text-to-speech platform designed to cater to content creators, educators, and individuals alike. It offers features like text-to-speech editor, voiceovers, and speech-to-text. Listnr's adaptive pronunciation system adapts to specific accents and dialects, ensuring accurate and authentic pronunciation for a diverse audience. And one of the standout features of the tool is its powerful API and comprehensive documentation, enabling seamless integration and customization options for specific project needs. Compared to Blakify, ElevenLabs also offers emotional TTS, enabling developers to infuse emotions like happiness, sadness, and excitement into the generated voices for more engaging user experiences. With Speechify, you can directly access and convert documents from cloud platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, streamlining the content consumption process. Voicemaker gives you access to invite team members or collaborators to contribute to voice projects, facilitating collective creativity and content creation. Resemble AI boasts an extensive voice marketplace where you can discover and purchase pre-built voice models created by other users, saving time and effort in voice generation. Listnr's AI-powered voice analytics can analyze the sentiment and emotional impact of the generated audio content, helping content creators tailor their material to better resonate with their target audience. After conducting thorough research on these alternatives, we would recommend Resemble AI as the best alternative that stands. Resemble AI sets itself apart from the competition with its advanced AI-driven voice synthesis technology, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of applications, from interactive chatbots and virtual assistants to audiobook narration and multimedia content creation. Resemble offers support for multiple languages, helping you to create voice content in a global context. This diversity makes it an excellent choice for projects with an international audience as well. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.